Whenever someone tries to run ads for visa service on Google Ads, it's actually get disapproved because Google doesn't allow for ads running for visa service. So in this video I will show you how you can run ads for visa service on Google Ads. But before I start, let me tell you that I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and we provide SEO services as well. So in case if you need our help in getting your ads approved for visa service, we can help you as that in running your ads. But so before I start, I want you to subscribe to my channel as well, because in this channel I create regularly new videos. So what I'm going to tell you in this video is how you can run it. So let me show you as well. Like in case if you look out on the Google service policy, Google doesn't allow for ads for document service that can be obtained directly from Google Ads from government or a dedicated provider. So because you are a dedicated provider, because many people need assistance in getting their visas, and I'm personally myself have to hire an agency to get my visa for a specific country if I have to travel abroad. So which is why you may need assistance of third party, even if the service directly being even if it's directly being done by the government, but you need help in filling the form and the details on documentation requirements. So I will show you, because I'm running for a specific client, so I will show you how you can do it and you can replicate it. But in case if you need our help, I can help you as well in getting your ads approved for visa service, and we will make sure to get approved on our account first before handling to you. And how you can work with us is you can find details in the link of this video. So let's get started, and let me log into one of my MCCs where I will have the details for this. Okay, for I'm running for one of this client on how we can run it, and because I have worked and helped with them, I cannot show you their marketing strategies, but I can show you how we were able to get it run for terms like Dubai visa or different things. And the strategy was, is to rather targeting visa only, we can target tour service as well, and we can make a combination mix of tour service and traveling combined, and this can help our ad in getting approved. And we can even run for keywords like these, Dubai visa. For any country you can apply this strategy. Even for a specific country you can run it, and we have been doing it, we have run it, and you can even copy this scheme and run it. But in case, because most of the people can get their account suspended while doing this, so which is why I recommend you to get a professional help in doing this, because this can get all of your accounts suspended, even your future accounts as well. So which is why we help you to ensure the content writing. We also go with the website, we also go with the content, and once we get approved, we run it on our account and then hand it over to you once everything is sorted. So in case if you need our help in running ads for terms like visa services, you can follow this strategy and run it, and include other services as well as a part of your deal. So this way it is not violating Google Ads policies, and this way you can sell that as service as well on Google Ads. I hope you like the video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, and thank you and bye bye.